Your content may be great and full of values that you might think that once the video goes live, it's going to go viral. But once you upload that video here on YouTube, you see the video struggling to get views. The reason why your video is struggling to gain traction the way it should have might not be the content, it's the upload process. Uploading video on YouTube is not just about clicking the plus sign on your YouTube app. It's a strategy, and once you get it right, you will see the massive difference. More click, more subscribers, more reach. So if you are still using your YouTube app to upload video on this YouTube space, stop it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to upload video on this YouTube space, how to optimize it that YouTube will want to promote it. I will even show you key settings that most creators miss, the one that can transform your video reach. And these settings are inside the YouTube Studio desktop version. I will be using my phone for this tutorial, so whether you are using your phone or you are on your laptop, the process remains the same. So stick with me, because once you apply this new method I'm about to show you, you will never upload the old ways again. But before we dive in, hello love, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Dorothy. On this channel, I share tips that help you grow your YouTube channel. So if you're a new creator or you're an aspiring creator, hit the subscribe button so we can grow together. Turn on your bell notifications so that you will always get notified when I drop new video. Now let's start with something 90% of creators completely ignore: your video file. When you edit in CapCut or other editing app, the file is usually saved with a random name like LV005588 or something like that, just as you can see here. This random number does not mean anything to YouTube, but here is the secret: when you rename your file using keyword people are actually searching for on YouTube, you are going to give the YouTube algorithm a head start. It's like whispering to the platform, hey, this is what my video is about. Push it to the right audience. Now to do this, go over to your file manager, click on these three dots, then further click on rename, then type your video title afterward you save. Now let's go ahead and upload the video. Now listen to this carefully. If you're uploading your long form video using the YouTube mobile app, you are limiting yourself. The YouTube app cuts out a lot of powerful features you should have enabled to get your videos to the right audience. That is why your videos might not be performing well as it should. So what you should do now is open your browser, type studio.youtube.com. Once it loads up, long press on the screen and this option will pop up. Select open in new group, then tap on the YouTube icon. This will automatically load the YouTube Studio in a desktop format, and that's where all the powerful features you need to enable are. Now to upload a video, there are two different ways to do it. The first one is to tap on this arrow here and it will take you to your phone file manager. Then you're going to select the video you want to upload. The second one is click on create, then further click on upload, and it will also take you to the file manager. There you're going to select the video you want to upload. Remember, we've already renamed the video we want to upload, so click on the video you already renamed and let it load. When your video start loading up, the title you named earlier will already appear in the title box and also in the URL. Now this video will pop anywhere whenever a viewer search for it, be it on YouTube search bar or on Google. Moving on is the description, and no, the description box is not for decoration. Writing descriptions with keyword will help viewers find your videos easily through search. Use natural keywords. It could be word or phrase viewer type into YouTube search bar or Google search bar like I said earlier. It's the same words that you will type if you are searching for a video or YouTube or an article on Google. Still in the description box, you're going to type in your timestamps or chapters. If you want to look professional or you want to keep people watching your videos longer, use timestamp or chapters. Chapters or timestamp breaks your video into sections. It's just like a book. If someone is looking for a specific part, they can jump right there instead of leaving the video. Make sure you always start typing your chapters with 0 seconds if you want your chapters to work, and also add a short title for that section and move on to type the rest. Also make sure your timing is accurate so your viewers would not be confused. After your timestamp, you can also promote your other videos that are more likely to be related to the one you're uploading. All you have to do is copy the link of the video and and paste it in the description box. You can also promote links of your other social media handle for brand sponsorship or collaboration. Add your business email, not the email connected to your YouTube or your business email. If you want this information to be part of your description, I did advise you to save it as default using the upload default setting in the YouTube studio. If you don't know how to go about it, I have a video on how to do that, so I will leave the video on end screen, so make sure you see that video right after this one. Okay, moving on is the thumbnail. Your thumbnails are like your movie poster. It should tell your viewers what your video is about at a glance. And the good news is YouTube now allow you upload 3 different versions of thumbnail. YouTube will test them for you and then choose the one that perform best. That's like free A and B testing built in. Moving on is playlist. Don't forget to add your videos to a relevant playlist to improve video organization and also to encourage binge watching. For example, if you have 3 videos on YouTube growth, put them in a playlist. Name the playlist YouTube growth hack. That's way viewers don't just watch one video, they will watch all of them. Moving on is audience settings. By law, you have to state if your video is meant for kids or not. If your content is for general audience like mine, choose no, not made for kids. Simple. Next on is paid sponsorship. If your videos include paid sponsorship, that is a brand paid you to promote their product or talk about their services, don't forget to tick the paid promotion box so YouTube can label it to inform your viewers that, oh, this video is sponsored. Moving on is altered or AI content disclosure. If you are using AI to make deep fakes or altered content, you have to disclose it by ticking the box. YouTube will add a label to your video or short, but it's not going to affect your reach or monetization. But if you fail to disclose it, YouTube will remove the video or even your channel from their platform. Moving on to number 9 is automatic chapters. This is more like timestamp that we just discussed earlier. These automatic chapters is the one YouTube make for you. It works best if your video is well structured, but I repeat, but it's not always accurate. So I advise you to always generate your own timestamp manually. Next on is featured places and concepts. Turn on featured places and concepts if your video shows a famous location like a building, or your videos cover trending topic like YouTube algorithm, AI, and so on. This will help YouTube highlight them in the description and search results so more people can discover your video. On to the next one, we have tags. Although tags now have minimal effect in promoting a video, but since there is a box for it, we don't have to leave it blank. Use tools like ChatGPT or Rapid Tag to discover tags around your video topic. Make sure you don't leave the tag box empty. The next one is language, date, and location. Select the language you record your video with, and if you recorded your video earlier and you remember the date that you record the video, go ahead to indicate that by selecting the date. Also specify your location if you want to. I usually specify my location just so the box won't be empty. Now we are on standard YouTube license. By default, this is already set to standard YouTube license. This allows you fix your videos elsewhere like your blog posts, newsletter, and this also notifies subscribers. So keep this on so that your subscribers who turn on their notification bell get notified when your video go live. Only turn it off if you're uploading many videos in a day. Moving on to the next one, we have automatic dubbing. Automatic dubbing allows you to translate your audio into other languages, but it's best you keep it in review if you want to check the translation first before you allow it. Okay, on to the next one, we have short remixing. Short remixing lets you control how others reuse your videos. You can allow full remixing or limit them to just your audio, or you can even block it completely. But allowing remixing can help your content to reach new audience for free. Moving on to number 16, or which number are we? Well, moving on to the next one, we have category. Even though YouTube automatically matches your videos with the right audience, it's still important to choose the category that best describe your content. For example, this video fits under how to content, so I I will just select how to right here. Next up, we have comments and rating. By default, comments are turned on, but you can choose to sort them either by top or by newest first. You can also moderate how people comment on your video. There are different moderation level like none, basic, and holding comments for review. I personally leave my comments on because why not? I love hearing from you. Just be kind with what you type in my comment section, okay? You can also choose to hide the numbers of likes on your video if you want to, but I prefer to keep mine visible. The next step should have been monetization, but because this channel is not monetized yet, that is why you can't see it. To be eligible for monetization, your channel needs to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. If yours is monetized, you can go ahead to turn on ads. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, you can also enable mid-roll ad and decide exactly where they should show. This is how it should look like. This clip is from my other video, not this one. After monetization is ad suitability. This is where you rate your video content for advertisers. Your answers like confirming there is no violence or harmful content help YouTube decide how advertisers friendly your video is. Here you have to be honest because YouTube also reviews video independently. Next up is video elements. This is where you can manually add subtitles or product tag if your channel is monetized. It's also where you add your end screen, that little section that pops up 5 to 20 seconds before your video ends. That is an end screen. And also you can manually choose what you want to be there. It could be a video, a playlist, your channel, or a subscribe button. You can also add your cards. They are like mini pop-ups with clickable I button. This work perfect for when you mention something and you just want it to pop up right on the screen. Moving forward is check. This is where YouTube automatically scan your video to make sure there are no copyright claims or other issues. Now we are at visibility. This is where you choose who can see your video. You can set your video to private where only you can view it, or leave it at public where everyone can see it as soon as it goes live. You can also schedule a date or time for it to go public. You can also set it on unlisted if you want to optimize and let YouTube complete its check before making it public. If your video is time sensitive or you have a regular posting time, you can use the schedule option to set the exact date and time for it to go public. This option is super handy for consistency. And one more important thing, if there are kids in your video or it's specifically made for kids, make sure you mark it correctly here. This is required by law and helps keep your channel safe. And once you are done following through the process I just highlighted, you can go ahead and save, and that's pretty much about it. And that's exactly how to upload videos the right way and optimize them so that YouTube can actually promote your videos on their platform. If you find this video really helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you can always get notified when I drop new video. If you have any question or any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. For now, bye. I will see you all in my next video.